Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tricks and Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the questions 4 to 6 in primary maths challenge. It's a challenge November 2014. It's also the first round. Anyways, let's start. Let's go. Jenna bought 4 copies of the book After Maths. The total cost was £27. Which of the following calculations give the cost of one book in pounds? So thing is, this is in pounds. I don't have to worry about pounds anymore. And the one calculation that makes sense is 8. Because for one book, I just divide 27 divided by 4 for one book. Yeah? Easier. You just need to understand the question. Let's go for the first one. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879. How old was he in November 1914? So, one thing is to not worry about this question. I will explain. Particularly in this question or maybe in other questions, I minus 1914 by so 1914 minus 1879, I get 35. Now the one thing I don't have to worry about is about the months. Even though the months is like, let's say this was November and this was March, then my age would be 34. And then now I don't have any options like 34 or even 36. I don't even have to worry about that guys. So don't worry about months in this question. That's one tip. And for the last question, Bognor Rocks FC have a total of 15 points after 6 matches. In the league, teams get 3 points for a win, 1 point for a draw, and 0 points for a defeat. How many defeats did they have? This is most like a trial and error question, guys. Now the answer is B. And what is the thing is that just to trial and error. I think this question is hard. The best thing is to trial and error. Okay guys, wait 1 minute. Yeah. So the thing is, what you have to do here, guys, is that just to trial and error, as I said. But why is to be the answer? Because we know 6 times the all wins gives us 18. If I had to have one loss, then I would have 5 matches and loss that still gives us points. It's no negatives. 5 times 3 gives us 15, and that's why it's the answer. So hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching and see you soon. Bye.